Hello friends, welcome in this today's video. In this video, we'll see the prediction of structures of the molecules by hybridization terms. बहुत सारे बच्चे लोगों को स्टूडेंट को हाइब्रिडाइजेशन निकालने को प्रॉब्लम आता है. They not able to find out the hybridization of the central atoms with the help of electronic concept, electronic configuration. Therefore, this formula is very useful for these student, and in the competitive exams you have to find out the hybridization to know the geometry of the molecules as well as the bond length, bond angle, as well as to know the electronegativity of the atom present in the molecules. So to know all this concept is very important. So we'll see this formula. The H stands for the hybridization of the atoms, H value. So is nothing but half in big bracket the number of electrons in the valence shell of atoms, that is V, plus number of monovalent atoms X, minus charge on cations C, plus charge on anion A. So that is H is equals to half of V plus X minus C plus A. This is the formula, and this formula is used to know the hybridization of the different atoms present in the molecules, and with the help of this we can find out the geometry. हमें ज्योमेट्री मिल सकती है, हमें ज्योमेट्री पता होती है. So we'll see here H number is given, and according to these H numbers the hybridization is here written. So if the H number is 2, hybridization is sp, geometry is linear. Here H number 3, hybridization sp2, geometry is trigonal planar. H number is 4, hybridization is sp3, geometry is tetrahedral. H number is 5, hybridization sp3d, geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. H number is 6, hybridization is sp3d2, and the geometry is octahedral. H number is 7, hybridization is sp3d3, and geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. So we'll see immediately the examples of different types. So type first, in which we'll see the central atom is surrounded by monovalent atoms only. Central atom will consider boron trifluoride. This is the example, BF3, and we have to find out the hybridization of this boron. So you know that this H is nothing but this is half of V, stands for valence electron, valence electrons of boron. So valence electron of boron is 3, plus X stands for the number of monovalent atoms around this central atom. So all these are the fluorine having monovalent atoms. So this is a 3 monovalent atom. Minus charge on cation, there is no charge, any positive or negative, so there is no cation, no anion, so minus 0 plus 0. So here half, 3 plus 3 6, it comes 3. So 3 means here 3, so hybridization is sp2. So the geometry of this is trigonal planar. In this way you can easily find out the hybridization of any atoms in the molecule. Another example of the same type we'll see. Another example, we'll see the CCl4. We have to find out hybridization. This central atom is surrounded by all monovalent atom. So central atom H is equals to half central atoms having how much valence electron? 4, plus the surrounding atoms, all these are the monovalent, and these are total 4, and there is no positive or negative charge. That means the negative charge minus charge, no positive charge, plus no negative charge. So the half, 4 plus 4, 8, it comes 4. So this is nothing but sp3. Okay, that means the geometry is tetrahedral geometry. So in this way we can find out the hybridization of the different atoms in the different molecule. Now the type second in which we'll see the central atom is surrounded by divalent atoms only. This is the second type. The central atom is surrounded by divalent. See example SO2, or we can write SO3, we can write CS2, or we can write XeO3. So these are the different examples. We'll see the first example. Suppose SO3. So H is equals to half. The sulfur having 6 electron in its valence shell. So number of valence electron is 6, and around this sulfur there is a 3 oxygen. So plus there is no monovalent atoms, plus number of monovalent atom is 0. There is no positive charge, the charge on cation and charge on anion, means there is no positive charge, there is no negative charge. So half and the 6, so the answer comes 3. The hybridization of this is sp3. Here see the hybridization is, here 3 number is, so here hybridization is sp2. See how you have to find out. This 3 means this 1s and 2p, total 3 ऐसा आना चाहिए. So इसका hybridization sp2 है, मतलब geometry trigonal planar है. Suppose if you write here 2, हम यहाँ पे 2 लिखते हैं, तो इसका geometry क्या आता है हम देखते हैं. So H is equals to half. Valence electrons around in the central atom is 6, plus monovalent atoms कुछ भी नहीं है, so this number is 0. Cations charge नहीं है, 0. Anion नहीं है, so 0. So again half, 6, and here this comes 3. So again the hybridization of this is sp2 is the hybridization of this SO2. In this way we can find out the hybridization of CS2. Hybridization of CS2 is carbon. The number of valence electron is 4, plus monovalent atoms नहीं है तो 0, cations नहीं है 0, anions नहीं है 0. So half into 4 is equals to 2. तो इसका hybridization आ गया sp. So the geometry is linear or diagonal is the geometry of this molecule. Okay, so the next type we'll see the type 3. Central atom is surrounded by monovalent as well as divalent atoms. Monovalent as well as divalent atoms. We'll see the examples of COCl2, then XeO2F2 or POCl3. These are the examples in which central atom is surrounded by both divalent as well as monovalent atoms. So the central atom C, we'll write here H is equals to half. The central atom is carbon and their valence electron is 4. The number of monovalent atom plus number of monovalent atom is here chlorine 2. So 2 monovalent atoms कैटायंस नहीं है सो -0, एनायंस भी नहीं है सो +0. So this comes half is 4 plus 2 6, so it comes 3. So the hybridization is sp2 is the hybridization of this molecule. Now the next type we'll see type 4. Type 4, the hybridization of the anion. Anion means the negative charge species. So hybridization of anion, we'll see the examples of hybridization of these anions. Example is SO4 2 minus, CO3 2 minus, then PO4 3 minus, ANO2 minus, ANO3 minus. So these are the examples in which all these species carry negative charge, and these are called anions. So we'll see one of the example. We'll see the first example, that is for SO4 2 minus, and for this H is equals to half. The central atom is sulfur having valence electron 6. The monovalent atom is here 0. There is no cations, but there is an anion. Anion carry 2 minus charge, so we'll write here 2. So half 6 plus 2 8, it comes 4. So the hybridization of this is sp3 and the geometry is tetrahedral. So in this way we can find out the hybridization of the rest of these different molecules. Now another type, that is type 5, in which we can find out the hybridization of the atoms present in the cation. So examples of these 5th types, that is cations. Example NH4 plus, as well as we can write H3O plus. These are the examples. So H is equals to, we'll write examples is NH4 plus, this hybridization of this nitrogen. So half, the central atoms nitrogen having 3 valence, 3 plus 2 means 5 valence electron, and the monovalent atom is 4. So plus monovalent atoms 4. There is a mischarge on cations, so this is a cations carry 1 charge, so -1, and plus charge on anions, so there is no negative charge, so 0. So half 5 plus 4 9 minus 1 8, so 4 is the H value. So H value 4 means the hybridization is sp3, that means geometry is tetrahedral. One more example we'll see, the hybridization in complex ion, that is a 6th type, hybridization in complex ion. That is example or type number 6 is for complex ions. Example ICl4 minus, I3 minus, and ClF2 minus. So these are the examples, and we'll find out example hybridization of this iodine in this ICl4 minus. For this H is equals to half, iodine having 7 electron in its valence shell, plus the number of valence electron monovalent atoms around the central atom is here the chlorine 4, so 4, plus minus charge on cation, there is no cation, negative, plus charge on anion is here 1. So the half 7 plus 4, that is 11, plus 1, that is 12. This number comes 6. So the hybridization is sp3d2, that is octahedral geometry. So in this way, friends, you can find out the hybridization of any atoms present in the molecule. So this is very, very useful for the competitive exams, and you can practice the different examples. And if you are not subscribed the channel, then सब्सक्राइब द चैनल्स, एंड आपको लगता है एक लाइक करना चाहिए तो आप एक लाइक भी कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.